Hello students of class 10th student, as we are doing here revision of this unit second. As I know you have done this chapter earlier, but as revision also is important, so here we are going to start session second. In session first, you have seen about the modifying layout of a paragraph, but in this session you will understand and you will introduce with headers and footers. So let's have the video related to this session. Here student, we have a document, and for header footer click on insert tab, and here we find the header footer and page number options in our document. The student, we if we want insert the header footer, we click in the insert tab, and we find here the header footer and page number options. The student, this video will tell you about how to insert the page number in header and in footer part. And not only you can insert the page number, but you can insert the as a date, time, and some text defined by you, and some images in the header and footer part. The student, I will tell you about here how can we insert the number, text, images, and some more here. So let's here start with this video to understand how to insert the images and text in header and footer part. For inserting student the header and footer, this part, understand this part, remember this about, because you can insert the header footer and page number by these options. As you click on the insert tab, and you find these three options in group of header and footer. Student, here we write some data for as to show how can we insert and how can we make many pages. The first of all, here the copy some data and click on the paste. Now it clicking on going on, keep on the clicking on the paste option. We here we make the 9 pages this way, so you can see in the page status bar 9 of 9 pages here. So student, as we have inserted the 9 pages in our document, and you can see this is the margin. This is a margin, means it is a top part and it is a bottom part. Top part shows is a header, and bottom part it shows the footer. So student, if you want to insert in the header part of your page and you want to show the that thing in with every page, so for this purpose we will apply here the header option or header in our pages. Here you can see some the footer and header part in every page. So now this will make very easy. Insert you will insert in one time in one page that thing or number, text, or anything you will able to see in every pages. So here click on the header option, and we find here the patterns or style of the headers. If you want to insert this, and here the three given here, the in the middle of the center with the design, and you can drag down, and you will see you will get here the many types of the design. If you want to insert, select that and click on. So here we get here the types of the design related to the header. So here student, we can write something in the header part. As you can see, when header will activated, then automatically you can see the portion of related to the which type of design we want, we can insert here. As when you activate the header, automatically this group will be activated, and you want to remove or close, you can click on the close header and footer option. The student, as what we want to write in the header and footer, so you can see this is a part of the footer of your page, and here you can write also as the same as the header. So what we will write here, it will be applied with all pages. So here as we write is such a name of the person, Deepak edu word, or any kind of the text you can write with your header part. You can color, you can set, change the font, you can change the case, you can change the style, bold, italic, underline, whatever you want to do with your text you can do here. As design, automatically it activated when you click on the header part of your as a page. So this will let you to insert the many things related here the design. If you want to close, click on this cross button, automatically your header will be closed. And now you can see here, only in only one page I inserted the text, but it shows with every pages here. One, here the page numbers, second, third, and this way we can see here that text applied with every page here. This one, as you can see here, this is a part of the header. As click on the insert, we find here the header part. Click on the header. If you want to change or remove, so you can click on this here. If you want to remove from the footer, you can click on the footer and you find here the edit or here the remove. So if you want to as a edit in the header part, to click on the header and here the edit header. The whatever you want to as a edit, you can do some changes here. Or if you want to go through a quick way, so you can as a by the as a clicking on the double time on the header part of the page, you can go as a go to the footer, to click on the go to footer, and if you want to go to header again, to click on the go to header here. So this way you can go up and down of the pages. You can go by the scrolling wheel of the mouse. Okay, so this way we can go to the part of the footer, and scrolling again upward we can go to the header part. Whatever you can write here, as it will be applied in the footer part also with every page here. As I have written here, the as here the changes the some text design, I mean font, and here increasing the size, and here the setting the alignment, left side, right side, whatever you where you want to keep here, and close this way we can see here with every pages will be applied that things what we insert in the footer part of the page. So children, here it is a very easy to insert the here the number or text or any design. If you want to edit the footer part, you can click on the head footer and click on the edit part, and you can go by the double clicking also. If you want to remove, to click on the remove option. So here it will remove the footer part. Whatever you have written, that will be disappeared. So this way student, we can use here the some design, some as a editing part of the footer, and add here the header. So now we can do by the double clicking on this. If you will double click on this, automatically that will be activated, and now you can do edit. And if you want to close, you click on the close button here. So if you want to click on the double click on the document area, automatically that will be closed also. So here the two way to here, by you can click on the button or by you click on the mouse. So this is here the way as you can remove or you can get the other design from the insert tab, and you click on the footer and add header option. The design as a this will be activated when you click on the header or footer part. So this will let you to insert the something more here as related to the text or related to the numbers, related to the other thing. If you want to insert some as a design type of the header part, okay, so you can select here the design part, as I have inserted here the design part, and select and click on the close button. So this way this will be applied in every page. So you here you can see here, you can see here this is showing the design types. So you can select any kind of the design to insert your text or number or anything you where you want to insert in a header or footer part. The footer part also provide the design also. If you want to as a select this part design, this will let you to insert as a writing the author name, as a page number you can insert here. You can see the page number. If you click on the close, that will be applied with every page here. That thing I told you as a starting with this video. But here as a you can do your pages means practice. If you will do the practice, you can understand very well. As here you will find the many designs as I showed you here. If you want to remove, click on the remove, that will be disappeared from your header part. And if you as edit, you can edit here from the footer and header edit. It is option given, and the footer is option given. Now the page number you can insert here where you want to insert the page, as it is given here the such option: top page, bottom page, page margin, current position here. So this way where we want to insert top page of here, top of the page, it means header part. So if you select any type of the here the pattern of your inserting the number, as here left side, center side, and right side here is given. So this is here the way to insert. Now we want to as insert the left side, the select the center or left side here. So if you want to insert the center, if you want to select the as a right, if you want to set as a ascent bar, so this way we can here insert that pattern of the sample of the. And if you drag down, you will get the more as a here. This is brackets, as a bracket is looking the beautiful. So we can select this, click on this, and automatically that will be inserted in the header part of, because we have chosen the top part of the as a page, that is a header. As it is inserted, now you can see with every page is given here the 5, 6, 7, 8. This will be applied with every page. You can see here now as I am showing you here as a 9, as a here the 8, as a 7. So this way we can see the as that thing, that option will be applied in the header part. And if you want to change, the double click on that and automatically top page here you can change. If you want to change the other pattern or other design for your header like this, as it is showing in a big number, so you can adjust here as a right hand side of the margin. It shows with the every page here 7, 8, 6. Here you can see the pages. And if you want to insert here as a you want to remove, the click on that remove, and that will be removed. And now you want to insert in the here bottom page, bottom of the page, so that is a footer part. So you can select any design like that. As I told you now about the header, so you can insert as a left side, right side, center side. It is the same as with the header. What I am telling you in the header, that will be applied, that will be same with the footer part here. So here student, as I am telling to you here about the as a page number related to, so now here as a remove, if we remove, then automatically that will disappear. And now next here as a page number you want to set as a page number. So we can set here the page number like margin side here, like top side, bottom side, or right hand side. So we can insert that page number with the with the page number. Here is a given the page margin. So page margin allow to you to set the left side, right side, as a bottom left and bottom right side. So where you want to insert, as a click on the here the right hand side margin, the right hand side margin you want to insert, as a select the page number here, that will be inserted as where you want to insert, as I inserted here the as a right hand side margin. If you close, that will be, you can see with every pages here the inserted in the every page here one by one you can see here. Yes, this is a way here you can see. And if you want to as remove, then click on the remove option. Now here the current position means where you place your cursor. Okay, where you place your cursor in the top part of the as a position here. As I told you about the top page here, that will be inserted in a certain area, certain place. But if you insert in the as a cursor according to the cursor position, so that as a current number, page number will be inserted that area. First of all, place the cursor and click on the current position. So what happened, this will be inserted as is showing in the left hand side, but it will be inserted in that position where you have kept the cursor. So now you can see here, this is shows as the left hand side. Now select this. So now where I kept that the cursor here, that place that is inserted here, and you can write with that page number. If you close, then you can see with number with every pages here. The student, here are the way to insert the header and footer and page number, as it is showing here the page margin. Where you want to set the page margin here, you can set the page margin here, as you can see. The as you want to adjust and you want to remove, you can remove by as selecting as here the as remove the option. The student, this way we can see here we can insert the page number and where we want, okay, in the header part or in the footer part. Now if you want to insert the date and time, to click on the date and time, as here will let you to insert the date and time, or you can write anything with the date and format. Date format you can set here to select on the date format, in click any format of the date and time, select OK button. So this will let you to insert the date and time with the current date and time. If your system is updated with the current time, current date and time, so that will show the current date and time. Now you can has a give the formatting here related to your date and time. You can color, increase the font size, change the font size and style here. So this way, the student, this way children, we can insert the date and time also in our header and footer part. If you want to remove, the click on the header where you have the inserted. If you have the insert in the header, so you will go to the header and remove them. If you have inserted in the footer, then you click on the footer. So here the as a setting of the inserting, as a telling about the here the quick path it is related to the some graphics way. I think that I will tell you in the next session, maybe in the coming the next session I will tell you. This is a very powerful features in the given. But if you want to insert the picture, to click on the picture option here, as a if you want to as a graphic, with a graphic, click on the picture option where you have kept that picture. We select here that picture and you can see here any picture we can take. And but as you click, this will take the as a whole area of the header. Now it is increased the header area. You can as a set as a by the resize handle toolbar. It is a resize tool handlebar let you to in picture increase or decrease. And now you can click on that. You can set here the format of the picture, 3D or giving the such effect. You can select any here and click on the outside of the document, so that picture will be applied in I mean with every page here. You can see here this is the inserting the picture with every page here. And this way we can change the picture also, as a select that and click on the delete button, so that will be deleted here. And footer part, if you want to insert, you can insert the footer part. If you want to insert in the footer part of the page, so you will select and click on the picture where you have the kept, select that picture option and you can insert in the header and footer part. But if it is not in the given the, you can take the help of the clip art. Clip art let you to insert the picture. As a click on the clip art and click on the go, you will select the picture, clip art picture, and same like as a picture what I told you about the picture, it will be same with the clip art here. And you can take here the example here pattern or format of the picture option. I think student, what I told you about the header and footer, that will that is sufficient for you because you can understand all the things. I think student you will like this video and understand about the header and footer. The student, thank you for watching this video.